All right, Walker Stars. Okay, we are going to do a DIY and talk about it. It is number 4 in your gray box. And we know that the gray box are the DIYs that you should be doing during Elm time. So what we're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to listen to Brain Pop. You're going to search for food chain. Okay, you're going to listen to that and then come back to me and we will talk about the questions. Okay, so you've listened to the Brain Pop on food chains. So your next page in your DIY packet is the note-taking page. And so your first question, it says, how do living things need each other? So after watching the video, how do you think living things need each other? How do plants need other plants? How do animals need each other? How do animals need plants? How do they need that? And why is that important? So take a moment, pause the video, and write down kind of what you were thinking. The second question, number 2, is what is a food chain? Okay, so what does that mean? What does a chain mean to you? Well, I know a chain, if I wear a necklace chain, these little bitty links are linked over. When we have a connection, we make a chain. So things kind of go together. So what goes together? What is the food chain? Why is that important? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and write down what you're thinking. Okay, the last one, number 3. What is a food web? What did Annie and Moby say a food web was? Okay, what I want you to do is take a moment. You're going to pause the video, write down what you think, and then come back to me. Okay, so because of this DIY or this Elm unit, we are doing our own research questions in each one of the classes, and you came up with the research questions rather than us giving them to you. So now what you need to do is go look at the research questions that you helped come up with your class, and you are going to look for the research question that goes with 9C. 9C talks about the food web, or a food chain, State of Texas says that as a second grader, you need to understand about the food chain. So go find that research question from the ones that you created with your class. Fill that out and get ready for our next DIY.